All right, fellas. Hey, look, man. Now I know I said all we was going to do was make something light, something chills, but you know this is like something little I like to do, just that added extra touch. I was able to find a little bit of pineapples in here, little blueberries in here, boom, boom, something. Always keep you some fresh fruit in your kitchen, man. As a man, we gotta power up with fresh fruit, y'all. So this, I'm just gonna hit them with something like this. You feel me? Got me a cup of ice right here. The good ice. The good ice. You feel me? Go ahead, put him on here in here. All right. I do a lot of little stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Just get you a handful of them fresh blueberries here, like so. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Toss them in there. Matter of fact, come on, put a little bit more in there. Wow, can't hurt nothing. Can't hurt nothing. All right, this is what we doing while we waiting for our grease to get warm. You feel me? Take you a handful of them pineapples. Look at that. Go ahead, throw him on in there. Go ahead, throw him on in there. Boom. You know what I'm saying? That way you get rid of some of this fruit at the same time. Give me just 1 second. Let me rinse my hands. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm addicted to washing my hands ever since this pandemic. All right, I think our grease is getting a little warm, so I'm gonna slide that off to the side real quick. Real simple little stuff, man. Real simple little stuff. Look at here. Anybody can do it. Like I say, we got you some Simply Fruit Punch in here. Fellas, it's all about the presentation, y'all. Go pour a little bit of that in there. Boom, boom. Give her something to make you feel like, you know, treat her like she's special tonight, y'all. You know, this could be your first time ever meeting her. You know what I mean? You want to give her a little bit something more than Netflix and chill, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Treat her like she's special. Give it a little bit of regular. This is regular granulated sugar, y'all. Couple shakes till it feel good for you. I like mines like that. All right, y'all. Y'all give me a couple seconds. We're going to go ahead and blend this together. I don't know what kind of blender that you have, but like I said, fellas, go get you a NutriBullet, bro. Walmart, y'all. Don't cheap it out. Boom. You can go. You got a Family Dollar by your house. You be paying $30 for them shots of Patron and all that. You can pay $20 for a blender. Mine's not 20, but you get the point. So y'all give me a couple seconds while I go ahead and put this together. All right, y'all, and like I said, we right back, man. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and I went ahead and took my crab cakes out the refrigerator. They're still on my plate, as you can see. Got my grease nice and warm. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is a little something that my mother told me. Take your water, boom, boom. All right, boom, that means she should be ready. Back up, son, back up, son. All right, fellas. Yeah, she hot. She hot to try. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and turn this down just a little bit. You know what I mean? All right. Now you take your patties. You know you wanna make sure that they still nice and firm. Boom. Drop them straight on in the grease, like that. You hear that sound? Be close to them so they can hear you. Yes, sir, fellas. That's when you know you're doing it right. That right there means you're doing it right. All right. These should be a little bit more firm than this, but guess what, y'all? We making it do what it do tonight, baby. All right, boom. All right, now see the thing is too with this, fellas, we not gonna cook this to death. You know what I'm saying? We not gonna cook these to death. What we're gonna do is we're gonna let them lightly crisp on both sides. You want a light golden brown. Yes, sir. Allow yourself a little bit of space, fellas. How y'all feeling? Y'all should be feeling mellow if you had that beer like I told you to do. All right. Go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and finish putting him together all the way. But that's what you want to do with each and every one of your patties, man. Make them with love, make them feel good. Do it till it feel right for you. Go ahead, we're gonna put him right on in there like that with that lump. Yes, sir. All right. Now, see, what I like to do is I like to keep myself busy the whole time I'm in the kitchen, y'all. Forgive me again, I know I'm keep on washing my hands, but you can never wash your hands too much. All right. So this is the type of stuff I like to do when I'm in my kitchen. Now go ahead and put your plate together, fellas, all right? This is a regular lemon, y'all. Aldi's. You can go to Aldi's and you can get you a bag of lemons. Y'all be buying them shots of Patronioni, you can get you a bag of lemons, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cut him up. Just some nice little slices. Nice little slices. Boom. Nice little slices. You know what I'm saying? Some nice little slices. Boom. You know what I mean? Something real nice like that. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and put a couple little lemons to the side right there like that. Like that, like that. You feel me? And then what we're gonna do is you take this top part of the lemon, give it a little sprinkle to you. You know, give it a little bit of pop. Just a little dash. Just a little dash. All right, so y'all, we're gonna go ahead and leave these down here. We're gonna go ahead and leave these in the pan for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and flip them over. Y'all give me a couple seconds, man. I'll be right back at y'all. All right, y'all, as you can see, I was already able to go ahead and flip one of these bad boys over. She been in there about 5.5, 6 minutes maybe. All right, so you wanna hurry up and flip them over so that way you ain't getting all caught by that grease there. All right, so you're gonna do the same thing for all of your crab cakes that you got in here. You know what I'm saying? One by one, get them done. Go ahead and flip him over. And y'all give me a couple minutes and we're gonna be right back at y'all. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, we right back. As you can see, man, I went ahead and flipped these babies over, gave them another 7 minutes on each side. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you don't want to cook them to death, man. You don't want to cook them to death. You want them to look good, man. You want everything to look good. It's very important that it looks good, man. We're going to give y'all a high quality product, man. We doing this the right way, fellas. We not going to cheap it out, all right? So now, as you can see, I went ahead, remember I cut up our lemons, you know what I'm saying? This, y'all, regular old crackers, man. Aldi's, man. You live close to Aldi's. Y'all know where the bar is. You better know where Aldi's at. Come on now. Give them a couple little crackers. Bing, boom. You know what I'm saying? Presentation is everything, fellas. Walmart, y'all. Walmart. All white plates, man. Come on, we too grown for that little kid shit with all them designs. Get you some all white plates, fellas. Don't cheap it out. Don't cheap it out, all right? I'm going to keep on reiterating that. All right, so look, y'all. I went in my refrigerator. I had a little bit of lettuce. Just some lettuce, y'all. This is regular stuff, y'all. Some regular little lettuce. So you gonna go ahead and pick that brown part off. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and pick that brown part off. Boom, look at that. Come on, man. Look at that. Man, look, you mean to tell me you don't deserve this? Come on, man. I hope you worked all week. If you did work all week, you deserve something real nice. Go ahead and make it look nice like that. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to keep your parsley close too, man. Because we not gonna cheap it out with the parsley either. All right? So y'all give me a couple more minutes, man. Let me find my parsley and be right back on y'all. All right, y'all. We right on back, man. I told y'all it wasn't going to take that long. Look at that. Like I said, we ain't going to cook these to death. You just want to give them something nice and light. Get you a plate. This is a plate with a paper towel on it, y'all. It's not hard. Look at that. Let it drain on there. Let it drain on there for just a couple seconds. Like I said, feel me? Nice and golden brown, fellas. You want it nice and golden brown. All right, we're going to give these a couple more seconds. Right now, we're going to focus on the star of the show. The star of the show is over there where y'all at. All right? So now, this is just something, you don't got to do this, but this is just a little something that I like to do. Remember what I told y'all about this here mustard? Remember the trick I told y'all, right? Go ahead, hit them in the sink one time. Squirt him out, all right? That way you don't got none of that runny shit. All right? This is just something I like to do. Little simple little design, you know what I'm saying? Real simple little design, you know what I mean? If you from Maryland like I'm from Maryland, man, we like to play without, you know what I mean, with the mustard. Nothing tastes better with a crab cake than some regular yellow mustard, y'all. All right, look at that. Boy, you probably can taste this through your screen, can't you? Yes, sir. All right, boom. We're gonna put the star of the show right there like that. Now look at your plate you just made. Look at your plate you just made, fellas. You did that. You did that. Now look, I'm gonna show y'all another little trick right here. Remember what I said before? We're gonna get you a nice little mason jar. This is a regular mason jar, y'all, Walmart special, you know what I'm saying? Boom, bow. Remember y'all smoothie that you made earlier? With your ice, and your blueberries, and your pineapples? Look at that. Don't fill it all the way up to the top. She might not like all of the fruit she got. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side right there, y'all. All right, give me one moment here. Remember, y'all, like I said, it's the small things in this life, y'all. It's the small things in this life. Look, mason jar, your drink you already made with your beautiful plate right there. Boom, boom. Fresh fruit. Put a little straw in there for y'all. You know what I'm saying? We got your nice, beautiful crackers right there with your mustard drizzling all on the side. Look at look at the star of your show. Beautiful. Now remember what I said, y'all. Look, we not gonna cheap it out. We gonna hit that with a little bit of parsley. That's called garnish, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if you want to get real fancy with them, remember your good old friend, Mr. Old Bay. Ain't nobody mad at little Old Bay. All right. So I just want to say thank y'all, man, for joining me You know what I mean? I want to say thank y'all for joining me on this new journey, man. I want y'all to like, subscribe. I want you to pass this along to your friends. Share it all over Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. And we're going to keep on doing this for y'all. Fellas, remember, you can do this too now. And it don't cost no whole lot of money. You don't got to be no gourmet chef to create something good for yourself. Friday night fish fry with your boy Rico, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And let's get into these motherfucking crab cakes, man. Yes, sir, Ski. Yes, sir, Ski. I'm proud of y'all, man. Because guess what? I did it and you can do it too. Let's get it.
My gun and 2 phones. I'm popping perkies just in case I never make it back home. And when it's real, I seen hella niggas leave me alone. Paper chasing niggas hating cause I'm fly as a drone. Am I rapping or I'm venting? I'm too drunk to know the difference. I don't shine, bitch.